talking about why you are so darn tired, and one of the biggest culprits are carbs, because they make you gain weight. That's why today I'm going to show you the best carbs to drop a dress size and get your energy back. With me is Anna. Welcome to the show, Anna.
Thank you. Thank you.
So that's it. You feel like extra weight takes away your energy, saps you?
I do. I have a very physically demanding job, and sometimes in the morning it's really tough with the extra pounds, because I used to be an athlete, and with the extra pounds I've put on as I've gotten older, it's hard to get up, muster up the energy to do my physically demanding job.
Okay, so I've got some tips for you.
Okay.
These are things you're going to be able to drop a dress size with. All right, the first carb to drop a dress size are shirataki noodles. This is for all the pasta lovers out there. This is an Asian noodle. That's what it looks like. It's made from the root of a yam. And it has precisely 10 calories per 2-ounce serving. Let me tell you, regular pasta is 200 calories per 2-ounce serving.
Wow.
So there's a big difference there. I happen to love this. I like it with marinara sauce. You can use it just like a regular noodle.
What about with Alfredo sauce?
Any sauce you like. Alfredo sauce, you
Love
can put
me
anything
some
on there.
fettuccine
Pastrami,
Alfredo.
whatever. And if you have shirataki noodles instead of pasta a couple times a week, at the end of a year, you will lose 11 pounds.
Yay.
Not
I
bad.
like that. I like that.
I've learned along the years that if you don't like the taste, doesn't matter how much weight you'll lose. So give me a taste
Now,
test.
you can't have the big roll next to it, right? If the pasta...
No, honestly, I don't want you to have the roll anyway, but if you have pasta in your life and you love it, which many folks do, this is a smart thing to use once in a while as an alternative. Okay, let's see what she thinks.
All right.
It's all in the eyes, guys. Watch your eyes. Is that okay? Good.
Yeah.
All right, she liked it. She liked it.
It's very good.
She wants another bite.
Yay.
Come over. The next carb to drop a dress size is the purple potato. Besides being really cute because they're purple, they're from South America.
You've got two of my favorite colors on here, orange and purple.
You're wearing purple.
I
Very
do.
nicely
I like
done.
purple.
Very nicely.
Yeah.
I love purple too because it has flavonoids from the sun. That's why they're real purple, not synthetic purple. But real purples, eggplants and the like are great. But I love these blue potatoes because people eat purple potatoes gain no weight in large studies that have been done. No weight. So 30 calories less than regular potatoes, which is what the serving size is part of the key. They allow you to do things you normally wouldn't be able to do with potatoes. And I happen to adore them because the texture and the taste is very similar to regular potato. And I want you to eat these instead of regular potatoes. If you do that, a couple times a week, you're going to lose 3 pounds over the course of a year.
Okay.
Have you ever had these before?
I have not, but I love mashed potatoes, especially garlic mashed potatoes. So can you add a little garlic in here?
You can add garlic to this. You can do.
Okay.
You can absolutely do whatever you would normally do with potatoes. If you know, I don't want you to be making French fries, but you can do just about anything else you want with these things. And again, they've harvested nutrients from the sun. Pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Listen, these are simple selections. These are not hard to do.
Yeah.
And the reason that I'm doing this segment is I know how hard it is to lose a dress size. But I also recognize that if I make it easy to do, you'll do it. These are simple solutions. This is the third of the ones. The next carb I want to focus on is pearl barley. It'll help you drop a dress size as well. What's great about pearl barley is pretty simple. They've got 4 grams of fiber per serving. White rice, which is what most folks typically have. When you go out doing your theater company work, I bet that's what they serve you.
Yeah.
Right? Half a gram a serving. Fiber keeps you full, keeps you regular. Are you regular?
No.
I love asking that question on national TV.
Wow. No, I'm not, actually. Most of the time, I'm not.
Take it home with you.
Oh.
A couple times a week, if you eat this instead of white rice, which is something we all have as a staple, over the course of a year, you're going to lose, take a look, 3 pounds.
Good.
All right.
Good.
And again, just take a small taste of this. I'm going to plump you up here eating all this food. But these are, they taste like the original product that you normally would have. So it's not a difficult substitution. Could you imagine having that instead of fluffed rice?
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, okay, good. I'm 3 for 3, folks. I'm doing well now.
Great.
All right, you can leave that over there. I'll give it to you. You take it later. All right, this is one that's very simple, and it's the last carb to drop a dress size, and it's a pretzel. Not all pretzels count, but on average, pretzels are 50 calories less per serving than potato chips. You get the same crunch, help you with the cravings you may have. I just want you to be aware of the long, thick pretzel rods, because they have a lot of calories stuffed into them.
Oh, okay.
But these thin little pretzels are easy to use, and if you replace potato chips with these, over the course of a year, you will lose 6 pounds, which is a lot. And if you use whole wheat pretzels, you get a bonus extra pound you lose a year.
Okay.
These are elegant, simple little ways to nudge you in the right directions.
Because I do have to admit, I'm a little embarrassed, but sometimes my evening meal is when I get bored, I sit in front of the TV and just eat chips and dip and a glass of wine.
From now on, this is your prize from now on.
Okay.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.